Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering and pairing. Make sure the watch has 20% charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the companion app, sign in, and begin pairing. Once paired, grant location, notification, and sensor permissions so apps can sync properly. Make sure firmware updates install. They often add features and fix bugs. If updates begin, wait. Do not force close the app. These steps get your device ready for feature setup and accurate tracking. You now customize what you see and how the watch reacts. Pick a watch face and add complications for steps, battery, or next event. This saves time. Then configure notifications, select apps, vibration intensity, and set Do Not Disturb schedules so alerts won't interrupt meetings. Next, enable health tracking like heart rate, sleep, and SpO2, and set workout profiles for the activities you do most. Once done, the watch focuses on the data. Finish by syncing settings and creating a backup to preserve your configuration. Calibrate sensors, open a walk or run mode, and follow prompts to improve GPS and stride accuracy. Adjust wrist orientation if readings feel off. Test essential features. Place a test call, make a payment, play music, and record a brief workout to confirm data flows correctly. If something fails, reboot both devices, repair in the app, and verify permissions. That single restart fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.